Hello folks, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Guru Tech Solutions. Are you tired of making presentation manually? If so, this video is for you. Stop working manually on your presentations since we are living in the era of AI. In this video, we're unveiling the future of presentations with 4 cutting-edge AI tools. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone who wants to enhance their presentation creation skills, this demonstration is a must-watch. Discover how AI can revolutionize your presentations. Unlock the potential of AI to elevate your presentations to the next level. Don't miss out on these game-changing tools. Watch the video now and take your presentation skills to new heights. Without further delay, let's dive into. First way, using ChatGPT and Microsoft Office 365. Step number 1. Open your web browser and type ChatGPT. This will lead you to the official page of this popular free AI tool. Although ChatGPT has launched its updated version ChatGPT 4, which is not free and we have to pay for it, but don't be panicked, we are using the free version. In the prompt bar we will ask ChatGPT to generate PowerPoint presentation, so my area of interest is how mathematics improve critical thinking skills, and I ask it to act as a professional to make PowerPoint presentation on the given topic, and will ask ChatGPT to generate 6 slides. Besides, we will ask ChatGPT to fill the relevant tags as well. You can type your own topic by following the same steps. Once you are done with the typing, hit enter. Now, ChatGPT is creating different slides and filling the text as per it was instructed. You can scroll down and see the progress. It has created 7 different slides around our area of interest. The very first slide is about introduction and title would be enhancing critical thinking through mathematics. You can see the text which we can include in our slides. Likewise, the slide number 2 is about interconnectedness of mathematics and critical thinking. Slide number 4 is about real-world application, and likewise you can see the other slides as well, and text has already been filled by this free AI tool, and the final flights will be about the conclusion of our presentation. So far, we are done with creating the slide titles and relevant text to include in our presentation. Before we move to our next step, just copy the entire text. Here comes the step number 2. Again, in search bar type office.com. This will lead you to the official page of Microsoft Office 365. You can log into it by using your Gmail or Outlook account like I have done using my ID. From here click Word, then you have to open a blank file. Once this blank document is opened, the next step would be pasting the text which has been generated by ChatGPT. For that I will use shortcut key, Ctrl+V. Here you can see the entire text has been pasted. Now, from here you have to click Keep Source Formatting the same. Let's dive into step number 3. Go to Home and export it as PowerPoint presentation. Once you click, this pop-up will appear. Here you can see various predefined templates. We can select as per our choice. If you are not satisfied with the given templates, you can click See More. By clicking, you will get more options. For this time, I am choosing this template and then we'll click Export. Here you can see that your text will be including in presentation support for image and tables is coming soon. It means that whatever we have input in form of text, this will generate automatic presentation. Let's wait for a while. Boom! See, the magic and astonishing presentation is ready. Don't skip the video, more important steps and features to discuss ahead. You can scroll down and check these slides one by one. Here comes slide number 1 to 7. So far, presentation is available online. If you want to use this presentation offline, or in simple words you want to download, for that you have to click here and shows open in desktop app. You just have to wait for a while. It will take a few seconds and it will download to your system. It's still processing. This might take few seconds and it depends on your connectivity. Once the process is over, the presentation will be opened in Microsoft Office. Here you go. The PPT has been downloaded. From here you can go in slides by slides in order to make certain changes. You can make further changes by looking at different slides. Let's suppose I want to make some changes in this slide. I can cut the title from here and I can paste over here to make it more professional. Likewise, you can make other changes if you want. Once you are done with changes, you can check the final look. Here comes the final look. Isn't it amazing? We just created this astonishing professional-looking presentation in few clicks. Let's discuss the second way, using Gamma AI. First of all, open your web browser and in search bar type Gamma AI. Then click the very first provided link. This will take you to the official page of this AI tool. Let me scroll down a bit here. You can see the interface looks like this. Since we are using it for the first time, so we will click Sign Up for free. By clicking this will take you here. From here we will click Continue with Google. Then this will take us here to choose our Gmail account. I will use my Gmail account. And then input my password. Then click Next and this will land us here. From here we can select our workspace name. So, it's already selected as it's Pervez Alam's workspace and I am using it for personal. Then hit Enter. Then we have to tell this AI about us, and it asks how we plan to use Gamma. Since I am using it for personal use, therefore, I will select this. And from here I will select Education Educator. The next it asks about how did we hear about Gamma AI. So, I can write from social media platforms or whatever you want to write you can. Then click Get Start. Here is the final look of this AI tool as it can be used for various purposes. Before we embark upon, I would like to share that here we have given 400 credits for free. 400 credits will be enough to create various presentation, documents, and web pages. After that, we need to pay to proceed for further uses. Although, this AI can be used for documents and web page creation. However, today we will discuss its one feature, that is presentation. In next videos, we will discuss other features as well. To begin with presentation feature, click Presentation. Then we have this space to type the topic around which you want to create presentation using this AI tool. Here we have free predefined topics that can be used to generate presentation. If you want to create presentation around your area of interest, just type in the given space. So, let's suppose I want to create presentation around technology and student achievement in mathematics. Once you are done with typing, then hit Enter. This AI will process, and it might take a few seconds to bring forth the result. You can see it processed, and here is the outline of our presentation. As our presentation will start from introduction. Then one slides will be around overview of technology in education. Followed by third slide around how technology impacts mathematics achievement. Then the fourth slide will be benefits of using technology in mathematics classes. And then this is followed by other 3 slides, and the final slide will be around conclusion and future outlook. So, this is the outline of our presentation which this AI has created. You can choose these outlines to create your presentation, and even you can edit these by just selecting and editing them with your own ideas. Similarly, if you are not satisfied with the results, you can click Try Again and it will change the entire outline. If you are satisfied with this outline, then you will click Continue. By clicking Continue, you will get this. Here you can see this AI is creating presentation for you in single click. This will take few seconds, you just have to wait for a while. See, it's completed now. From here you have to choose your presentation design. Here various designs have been provided. So, let me click this design and it seems good. And let me try this one, this is also attractive design. So, by scrolling down you will get more options. Once you decided, then you can click Continue. If you are unable to decide, you will click Surprise Me and it will automatically select the slide design for you. Suppose I selected this, then I will click Continue. Now we just have to wait for a while. This is creating the final result of our input. Here we can see it is creating different slides and filling those slides with text as well as very relevant pictures. Here you can see the magic is happening, you just have to wait for a while until it's complete. So, here is the final slide around conclusion and future outlook. So, here we go. The final presentation. You can see this is the first slide around technology and student achievement in mathematics. The second slide you can see, besides, the third one is around how technology impact mathematics achievement and benefits of using technology in math classroom. Additionally, various benefits have been given, and some examples are also mentioned, and few challenges have been also mentioned in different slides. So, you can click the text. If you want to make changes, you can make changes. Even you can change the pictures. By just clicking, you can replace these images by other images as well. Now, let's open it in Presentation View. For that, I will click here. You can see this is the final look of our presentation. You can make changes as per your need, since we have various options to make some changes. For instance, we can format our text by clicking here. Besides, we can change the layout as well as we can change visual templates. Moreover, we can add images, and also, we can add videos in our presentation by just clicking the relevant icon. These are various other features which can also be explored to make our presentation more attractive and appealing. Don't skip the video since we are not done yet. Now the final step, let's download this presentation to our laptop or computer since we want to use it offline. For that I will click here. Then from here I will choose export. This will lead me to these two options. The first one is export to PDF, and second one is export to PowerPoint. I want this presentation to download in PowerPoint. So, I will go with the second option. Here we go. Wait, since it's exporting and this might take few seconds, we just have to bear for the ready-made fruit. Once it's done you will get this pop-up message. A download should start automatically. If not, click here to download it and you can see automatic download started. Let's open from the downloaded file. Let me click it by clicking our PowerPoint presentation will open in Microsoft PowerPoint software. Boom! Here is the final downloaded PPT. Let me open it in presentation view. Here is the final look of our beautiful and appealing presentation. Isn't it astonishing? I really found it an amazing AI tool to generate PowerPoint presentation, more importantly completely free. Let's dive into the third way to create stunning presentation. First of all, open your web browser and type ChatGPT. This will take you to the official page of this free AI tool. Here you can see two options. First one is its version 3.5, which is completely free, and the second version required a payment of $20 per month. However, don't be panicked, we are using the free version of ChatGPT for this purpose. Now, in order to create auto presentation, we will be developing VBA code. For this, in this prompt bar I will paste a prompt which I have already copied by just pressing Ctrl+V, and now I will take you through this prompt. You can type similar prompt in order to create VBA code. In this prompt I have asked ChatGPT to create VBA code for a PowerPoint presentation about 6 best strategies to develop students' mathematics achievement. Besides, I have asked ChatGPT to fill the text as per its knowledge. And I have asked to develop 8 slides. So, in this way you can input your prompt to develop auto VBA code around the area of your interest. Besides, you can also specify number of slides as well. Once you are done with typing this prompt, you have to hit enter. Boom! ChatGPT started creating VBA code. Just wait for a while until it's complete. You can see it's processing, and in VBA code it can be seen that it is developing different slides with different heading. Moreover, number of slides can also be seen. Once it's done, then the next step of the auto presentation will be process. Step number 2. For this, open PowerPoint presentation. Click here to open blank slide. Now, in order to use this VBA code in this PowerPoint presentation, the developer icon should be activated invisible. However, at this point in time the developer icon is not activated in my PowerPoint. If it is already available in your PPT, you are not supposed to follow this step. In order to activate the developer key, I will click File. From here I will choose Options. From here I will choose Customize ribbon. The next step is to check the developer key. You can see it's not checked. Just click here and it will be activated and seen the icon here. Here you can see it. Once it is activated, here comes the third step. Now you just have to copy the VBA code and you need to follow the process to paste. Click Developer. Then click Visual Basic. From here you have to click here, then click Module. By clicking, this window will appear. Now you just have to press Ctrl+V in order to paste the VBA code here. By pressing Ctrl+V, the copied VBA code will be pasted here. Here you go. Now sit tight to see the magic. Click play button here. Boom! By clicking, you can see an automatic PowerPoint presentation with various slides, and auto text filled can be seen. Don't skip the video since we are not done yet. In order to make this presentation more attractive, I will click Design, and for each slide I will choose specific design. So, let's suppose for this slide number 1 I am using this design. Here you can make changes by just clicking. For the second slide I can choose different design to make my presentation more appealing. For slide number 3, I can follow the same process. If you are not happy this design, you can click more design to go for other designs. The same goes for slide number 4. Let's suppose for slide number 5 I am not satisfied with the provided designs. So I can click See More. And by clicking More Designs will appear. By scrolling down you can see more design and you can choose as per your need. The same process will be applied to the next slides until you get complete satisfaction over your designs. In this way various designs for each slide can be chosen. Once you are done with selecting your design, let's see its final look. So here is the first slide. It's more attractive and more appealing now. Slide number 2 is also astonishing and appealing. You can see the text as well as it talks about active learning strategies. Second strategy talks about use of technology. And the third talks about personalized learning. Similarly, other slides with auto-filled text and design can be seen. The final slide is about the conclusion of the presentation. Don't skip the video, we are not done yet. Here comes the final step. Click File. From here click Save. Then choose your folder where you want to save this presentation. Then close all these windows. Here comes the final look. Last but not least, Tome AI. First of all, open your web browser. And in search bar type, Tome AI. Then click the very first provided link. This will take you to the official page of this AI tool. The interface looks like this. Since we are using it for the first time, so I will click Try Tome. This will take me here, where I have to use my email account to sign up. For that I am using my Google account. So, I will click here, then this will lead me to my Google accounts. Since I have 2 accounts, therefore, I will choose the one which I will use to sign up. Then I will input my password. It's processing. Once the process is over you will get this option. From here you have to create your profile. Since we are using it for the first time, therefore we need to make these settings. My name has already been written. Then you can choose your role. So, I am choosing my role as educator. And then click Next. You can create your workspace name. So let me type my workspace name Guru Tech Solutions and then hit Continue to Workspace. We have this option, so right now we are using free. This basic version can help us to create numerous presentations. You can see it gives us 500 AI credits. And 500 AI credit is enough to generate presentation and fulfill our needs. Therefore, I am going with basic. Then click Continue. And here is the final interface of this AI tool. Here you can see it has already given us 500 AI credits. So, using these AI credits, we can generate maximum presentations. This is the final interface where we will be working. Now, to create your presentation, you just have to click Create. Although this AI tool can be used for various purposes, but this time, we are using it for the presentation creation. Besides, we have here multiple options. Here we can select number of slides. By dragging this we can increase the number of slides. So, for this time let's suppose I want this AI to create 8 slides. And here we have to type our topic around which we want this AI to create presentation. Here you can see other options as well. By clicking here, you can change the theme. Let me choose this one, or this one. It's up to your choice. You can choose various themes from here. So let me choose this one. Now we just have to enter our topic around which we want to create presentation. And here in search bar I will type my area of interest. Let's suppose I want to create stunning presentation around the pros and cons of AI tools in education. Once you are done with the typing, then hit enter. And wait for a while, this will automatically generate outline. Here you can see in your single click the outline of the presentation is ready. The presentation will start from introduction. The second slide will discuss pros of AI in education. Then the third slide will discuss improved learning outcomes. And similarly, cons of AI tools in education will be discussed. Besides, in slide number 6 its privacy concern will be discussed. In this way this AI has created the outline of your presentation. So, by clicking here you can delete this outline and you can include your own outline. Editing the outline is single click away from you. So, this time I am going with these suggestions. So, I will click Continue. Now we just have to wait, this AI is processing and it will generate our presentation. This AI is generating different slides and filling the text. Besides, it is also adding various pictures relevant to the topic. You can check these slides one by one. If you are okay with these slides, you will click Keep, and in case you are not satisfied with these slides, then you can click Try again. And the entire presentation will be created again. So, I will keep these slides the same without changing single text. Now, let me go back to each slide. This is our first slide. This is the introduction or outline of the entire presentation. Here we have the introduction part of our presentation. Similarly, pros of AI in education has been discussed. Further different slides have been created. Moreover, cons of AI tools in education, privacy concerns, and other slides has also been created. If you want to make changes, you can make changes by just clicking in different slides. Here we have multiple options. You can add titles, as well as you can change the themes. So, we will go with this one. In order to open your presentation in presentation mode, you can click play and you will be able to check your presentation. In order to share your slides with your fellows and colleagues, you can click here. Then you have option to copy the link. By copying you can share the link via email or WhatsApp. One most disappointing point of this AI tool is that it will not allow you to import your presentation. In order to download you need to try the Pro version. Since I was using the basic and it didn't allow me to import in PDF or PPT. In this way stunning presentations can be created and can be shared via using the generated links. Hope you found this video informative. If so, kindly let us know by commenting on it. Besides, if you are watching this video for the first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more such AI-based educational content. See you in next video. Good luck.